Hi everyone, and welcome to my video about 10 interesting facts about London. London is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, and for good reason. It's a city with a rich history, a diverse population, and something for everyone to see and do. Fact 1. London is the smallest city in England. The City of London, which is the financial district, is only 1.12 square miles in size. The Greater London area, which includes all of the surrounding suburbs, is much larger, but it's still not the largest city in England. That title belongs to Birmingham. Fact 2. London has more than 300 languages spoken. This diversity is one of the things that makes London such a vibrant and exciting place to live. Fact 3. Big Ben is not actually the name of the tower. The tower itself is often referred to as Big Ben, but its official name is the Elizabeth Tower. Fact 4. London has the world's oldest underground railway system. The London Underground, also known as the Tube, opened in 1863 and now has over 270 stations. The Tube is a major part of London's transportation network and is used by millions of people every day. Fact 5. London has more than 8 million trees. This means that there are almost as many trees in London as there are people. The trees help to make London a more pleasant place to live and work, and they also play an important role in reducing air pollution. I hope you enjoyed these 5 interesting facts about London.